let the assassin get away.
Sorry, sir. We are the Mafia. We never fail. And you let that assassin get away.
Just an assassin, man. He just knows where the body is.
Alright, that's it.